two books, two completely different philosophies. One teaches you how to think about money, and the other teaches you how to use money to live a meaningful life. Today, we compare the psychology of money and the art of spending money. And trust me, the difference might change the way you save, spend, and build wealth forever. Welcome to Lines of Light, where wisdom meets real life. If you're someone who wants to grow financially and emotionally, this video may be the turning point you didn't expect. Stay with me till the end. The conclusion might surprise you and maybe even change your financial destiny. Let's begin with the heart of each book. The psychology of money is not about formulas, strategies, or charts. It's about human behavior. It teaches that managing money is less about intelligence and more about emotions, habits, insecurities, fear, ego, and childhood experiences. On the other hand, the art of spending money focuses on how to use money intentionally, not to impress the world, not to chase status, but to create joy, meaning, fulfillment, and a richer life, not just a richer bank balance. One teaches you how to think about money, the other teaches you how to live with money. In the psychology of money, saving is not about deprivation, it's about freedom. Saving gives you the ability to wake up one day and say, "Today, I choose my life." Not your boss, not your bills, not society. Meanwhile, the art of spending money gives saving a different meaning. It says, save so you can spend without guilt. Save so you can enjoy the things that matter. Save so your money becomes a source of peace, not anxiety. One focuses on building wealth. The other focuses on enjoying it. The most dramatic difference between these two books is in how they view spending. The psychology of money warns us that emotional spending is dangerous. Buying to impress others only empties your pockets and fills your life with regret. But the art of spending money says the opposite. Spending isn't the enemy. Mindless spending is. If a purchase brings joy, growth, healing, connection, or peace, then that money is not wasted. It is invested in life. One says, don't overspend. The other says, don't underspend your life. In the psychology of money, wealth is built slowly, through patience, discipline, and the magic of compounding. And the book gives a warning we all need to hear. Getting rich is one thing. Staying rich is another. Survival, not greed, is the ultimate financial strategy. But the art of spending money cares less about investments and more about balance. It teaches that your future matters, but so does your present. There is no point in having millions later if you lived miserably today. One book protects your money, the other book protects your heart. Let's talk about meaning. The psychology of money says that true wealth is the ability to control your time. Luxury is not the answer. Autonomy is. Meanwhile, the art of spending money says that money should support your values. If meaningful relationships, adventures, creativity, and well-being matter to you, then your spending should reflect that. Together, these two books whisper a profound truth. Money is not the goal. Money is the tool that shapes the life you want. Let's compare their teachings in a simple way. Mindset. Psychology of money. Your emotions decide your financial destiny. Art of spending money. Your values decide how you use money. Savings. Psychology. Save for freedom. Art of spending. Save so you can enjoy guilt-free spending. Spending. Psychology. Don't spend to impress others. Art of spending. Spend on what brings joy and meaning. Wealth. Psychology. Wealth is built quietly. Art of spending. Wealth is experienced daily. Happiness, psychology, comes from control. Art of spending comes from fulfillment. Both books talk about money, but together they talk about life. So, which book is better? The answer depends on you. If you want to grow your wealth, understand your financial emotions, and break the patterns that keep you stuck, The Psychology of Money is your book. If you want to live more fully, spend without guilt, and use money as a tool for joy and meaningful living. The Art of Spending Money is your guide. But if you want a complete financial life, a life where you build wealth and enjoy every moment of it, read both. Which book resonated with you more? The Science of Becoming Wealthy or The Art of Enjoying Your Wealth? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video opened even a small window of clarity in your life, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. You are watching Lines of Light. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining.